The effects of anabolic drugs on mammalian animals is an interesting field of study. In this case, it was an experiment conducted to find out the effects of Hexestrol on ovarian morphology, grafting follicles, oocyte count, and the ovulation cycle in mice subjected to treatment with Hexestrol. Hexestrol is a non-steroidal synthetic estrogen usually used in cattle for weight gain and growth. In this experiment, 30 adult female mice were used, and they were sorted into 3 treatment groups of 10. And Group 1 was given 3 milligrams per kg of Hexestrol, Group 2 6 milligrams per kg of Hexestrol, and Group 3 injected with distilled water, and this was our negative control. These were injected intraperitoneally once a day for 30 days. Another group of 10 mice, Group 4, the positive control, was introduced, and these were injected with 1.25 milligrams per kg of propionate testosterone after 5 days of birth. Group 1, 2, and 3 mice were then sacrificed after 30 days, and Group 4 mice sacrificed after 50 days. Ovarian sections of 7 micrometers were prepared and viewed under the Olympus microscope, and the oviducts were flushed, and oocyte counts and luteal body counts were done using the Zeiss microscope. And the ANOVA and Tukey and Kremer tests were performed for the analysis. Using this figure 1, which shows ovarian sections, it shows that Group 1 and Group 2 ovaries had a large number of follicles at different stages of development, with the primary follicles being the majority and no secondary follicles were detected. And Group 2 and Group 4 ovaries were highly vascularized with blood vessels. Using Table 1, which shows an analysis of luteal bodies, oocyte count, and nuclear volume in interstitial cells, it shows that Group 4 ovaries had no luteal bodies and oocyte count detected, and that Group 2 and Group 4 ovaries had the largest volume in interstitial cells. Using these results, you can see that Group 1 and 2 ovaries had the same ovarian morphology and had a large number of follicles at different stages of development, and that no luteal bodies were detected. This then suggests that Hexestrol does not affect the follicle development, but it affects the ovulation cycle, and that its effects are actually not dose dependent. Therefore, Hexestrol could interfere with gonadotropins such as follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormones, which affect follicle development and the ovulation cycle. Therefore, Hexestrol could be considered an infertility-related health problem in mammalian animals, which affects the production and/or action of follicle-stimulating hormones and luteinizing hormones. Thank you.